Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how I detangle my hair, moisturize my blown out hair, and here are all the tools and things I will be needing. So my shea butter, my oil, and my brush, and of course my fingers. So let's get started. So this is my hair. I usually twist it up and keep it in my bonnet, and I keep moisturizing my hair at least twice a week. Okay, so here I'm just picking up my hair, separating the ones that I've done and the ones that I've not done, and unraveling it. So I'm unraveling my hair, and then I'll lightly detangle. Then I'm going to add my butter to my hair, and then from there I'll add my oil, and then I'll add the oil also to my scalp and gently massage my hair, and also I'll detangle my hair and retwist up. So that's all I'm doing: adding my butter, detangling my hair, adding oil, detangling my hair, massaging my scalp, and then retwisting my hair. Oops. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the benefits of scalp massaging. So one of the benefits is that it helps thicken your hair by stimulating your hair follicles and stretching them out. Okay, and another benefit is it helps to dilate the vessels in your scalp, encouraging new growth because you have more blood going to your scalp, which will lead to your hair growing. It also combats dandruff. It also combats hair loss. It removes buildup, which is why we massage our scalp when we're shampooing our hair, because it helps to lift those dirt off your scalp. So it helps to remove those buildup on your scalp, and it also relieves stress and tension. Okay, so if you are like me and you get migraines and headaches all the time, try massaging your scalp once in a while. Okay. While you're doing your scalp massage, try and be as gentle as you can. You know, your hair is very fragile, and um, over massaging your hair or like putting too much tension on your follicles can lead to breakage. So you have to try as much as possible to be very gentle while you're doing this process. So as you can see, the sheen from the butter and the oil that my oil mix. Okay, so I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Ta-da! Okay, so from here I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing, repeating the same process, unraveling the hair, adding the butter, adding my oil, massaging my scalp, and detangling my hair. Plain and very simple. Enjoy! So at this point, if you've reached this point on my video and you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button right below this video. Click on the bell notification so that you are notified every time I put a video out. Also, like this video. This helps with the logarithm of the videos to be shown to other people. So please like this video and share to your friends and family. Ooh, that felt really good. See, like honestly, I love the scalp massages. I keep the oil right beside my bed, like at the tail of my bed, just so I can be massaging my scalp sometimes when I'm studying, okay? So this is really beneficial. I love massaging my scalp. Okay, so while you're massaging your whole head, do not forget those edges, okay? Because those are very important. People keep asking me how I still have my edges very still full. It's from massaging my edges, because those edges get a toll. All your slicking back and braiding your hair real tight, those edges need some love too, and your nape too. So don't forget those parts of your head, okay? I'm just showing you here like how my butter looks after it's all melted down. It looks really shiny, really smooth, and that helps with smoothing the hair. It also contains aloe vera gel, so it helps me with detangling my hair, removing the excess shedded hair in my hair whenever I do it. So you see how gently and quickly it melts down. Okay, so that's what I'm showing you here. So here I'm all done. Okay, I'm all done, and I'm going to just put my hair back up in the bonnet and then call it a night. And then 2 days later, yeah, the roots always puff up. But I'm going to go ahead and undo this twist so that you can see how nice my hair is. It gives me a very subtle wavy look, which I can rock for the day, okay? And when I'm like unraveling it, I just let the hair part wherever it wants to. I don't manipulate it too much so that I have that wavy look. You can go ahead and brush your hair and it will just look like your blown out hair, more looser texture. But I just loved it that day like this, so I just went ahead and separated, sometimes even just twice. Okay, let's jazz things up. Give me a second. Bam. Ha. So yeah, this is the final look. You can see my hair is very fluffy. It's moisturized, very shiny, and good to go for the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.